All right, folks, so installing the water line. Oh, mercy. That trencher's beating John to death. There is a ton of rock in here. Anyway, this thing's about 18 inches deep. Anywhere from about 14 to 20 inches deep, and it varies. We're hitting some really bad rock, that sort of thing. So anyway, yeah, so at least 12 inches is what we want to be, so no less than that. But here we are, folks. So I've got it pretty well covered up. Got to come back and rake it. Of course, it's not hooked up, folks, so hopefully this brand new water line here doesn't have a hole in it somewhere, huh? We're gonna be in trouble. Anyway, we'll see her squirt up if she does, and we'll fix it. It doesn't though, so yeah. Anyway, so yeah, here we are, folks, working away. So it's about 250 feet where we will be hooking it up in the basement. Maybe 225, somewhere right there. But see here, it's just, it's terrible. The rock here in Tennessee is so much more than it is in Georgia. See all of it? And you know, it gets caught in between your teeth of the trencher. Yeah, drives you nuts. But I am covering up as we go, so we got about another, I would say about an hour or so of trenching, me covering it up, and then we'll run and pick up a shut-off. That's one thing I didn't have. I thought I had a shut-off, PEX shut-off, but I don't have it. So we'll have to run and get that. Got a pressure reducer valve, but that's not gonna help me, folks. I need a shut off. Anyway, so give it all brand new when we leave here. It's beautiful here. We're in the Davis Chapel area. Beautiful here, folks. Check it out. We'll let you see the scenery. We're way out in the country here. Oh yeah, old John, he's hard at work. That's Daddy's boy. Look at them big muscles. Huh? Daddy's boy's got some big muscles. Man, that thing will beat the living mess out of you. I mean, look, just all day. So this house, the poor basement wall there is caving in. I'm gonna give them a price on repairing that, digging it out. Craziness, folks. So much rock here, it is unreal. Now I'm gonna tell you something. It's pushing in the high 80s today, probably hit about 90, and it's about 55 degrees in that basement. It is cool. When you walk in there, it is cool. This place is amazing, folks. Lady here is 93 years old, very smart. Her daughter's here. I've been dealing with her son, but look, folks, can you imagine walking out the back door? Look, can you imagine? Folks, where do you live? You live in the big city? Look at this. Oh, goodness. Oh, this makes me want to clear out behind my house. So this ain't nothing but blackberries from here to the wood line, all the way down. It gets splotchy in here, but it's pure blackberries, folks. Them are all blackberries down in the valley, all up and through here. Blackberries, wild grapes, muscadines, loaded, unbelievably loaded with it. with them. This is it. Look at the scenery. This is where I work, folks. This is where I live. I work here. I live here. This is what I look at every day. All of the mountains. It's amazing, folks. I live here. I play here. And work here. You're missing out. You are missing out, folks. We'll see you. Hey, making money, enjoying the scenery. You can't beat it. Anyway, folks, man, this almost looks like pineapple weed. I think it's not. It's the daisy deal. Almost looks like chamomile. Anyway, folks, this is it. Look at this massive oak. Love my life, folks. Love it. We'll see you.